2017 Nissan GTR, really nice car. This car actually goes anywhere from, let's say 130,000 all the way up to $175,000. And it's got some damage, as you can see, on the lower left quarter panel. Some really deep creases from somebody backing up into it, unfortunately. Paint's a little bit chipped on that edge there. Customer has the touch-up paint. We're going to fix this without painting it. So you can see here, we've got the lower rocker panel off, and to our surprise, there's actually a nice access hole which is going to get a paintless dent removal tool inside to the back side of this dent so we can manipulate that metal back to its original shape without affecting this paint job whatsoever. And here we are, maybe about, maybe 60 to 70% in to the repair, and you can see it's coming along great. Still have a lot of work here in the light reflection there. You can see all the little lows and highs that we still have to work out. And here's a little PDR tool that's inside the panel there that we're using. And here's the final outcome. We had about maybe 3 hours into this repair. We didn't affect anything whatsoever about this vehicle in order to repair this to its original factory condition. No parts were changed, no materials used, 100% using the paintless dent removal method, and this owner of this vehicle is extremely happy. Gets to keep everything the same as it was before it was damaged. And really cool car to work on. I enjoy what I do tremendously, and I get to work on these awesome vehicles and just make people happy all day. If you have any questions about paintless dent removal, feel free to reach out at 386-216-5185, or if you'd like to log on to cfldentrepair.com, feel free to set your appointment up today. Thanks for watching.